This is John Jones, the light heavyweight champion of the world. Tap Out XT, come and get it.
You want a tap out body? You gotta come and get it.
This is Tap Out XT. The XT stands for Extreme Training.
Load, explode, boom.
That means you do stuff like this to get completely outrageous results like this. With Tap Out XT, you'll throw punches and kicks with world champion legends like Chris Lights Out Lytle, Ryan Bader, and others.
This is a professional MMA fighter getting it done with you in the living room.
90 days, less than an hour a day, boom. This is what you get.
If you got the will, I mean, you can get the results. Just gotta come and get it.
Sam came and got it.
Overall with Tap Out, I've lost 40.5 pounds.
Kelly came and got it. So did Sean, Frida, Mike, Carly. All these people came and got it with Tap Out XT.
Everything you need for MMA fighter is in this workout.
It's never boring. It's something different every time, and you can get a great workout in a short amount of time.
Tap Out XT is designed to be extreme, to take not only the same movements you use in MMA, but to go a little bit further and use that for fat burning.
Tap Out XT is a hardcore training program. Not only are you getting cardio and you're doing strength movements, but there's a lot of power involved.
Tap Out XT!
Now it's your turn.
You guys gonna come and get it? Are you gonna come and get it?
What do you say? Are you ready to come and get it? Then come and get it.